Health benefits of eating in silverware. Since ancient times, you must have often seen the rich and royal people eating in silverware. If you thought they use silverware as a sign of royalty or for decorative reasons, you will be surprised to find out the real reason why they use silverware in their daily life. Experts believe it was about a healthy lifestyle, as silver is loaded with lots of health benefits. When a new baby is born in an Indian family, the child and mother are gifted with silver utensils like silver plates, bowl, spoon, glass, etc. The reason behind this tradition of gifting silverware to kids is science. According to science, if small children drink water or milk and eat in silver utensils, they stay away from many diseases. Friends, the continuous use of silverware items since ancient times, even though silver has been costlier as compared to other metals, clearly indicates that the use of silver metal is beneficial to humankind in the long run. Therefore, today in this video, we will tell you about the advantages of eating food in silverware. Antibacterial properties. Silverware has antibacterial properties that keep food protected from harmful bacteria. It is well-known fact that silver is naturally resistant to bacteria and is used in many applications to protect against bacterial infection. Enhances immune system. Silver protects the food and water from harmful bacteria. It also helps in protecting our body against unwanted bacterial infection originating from consuming infected food and water. This leads to healthy and stronger immune system. Feeding your kids in silverware helps in strengthening their immunity. Natural and non-toxic in nature. Silver is a natural metal and therefore utensils made from silver are natural and non-toxic in nature. Unlike other metals and materials that contaminate food with toxic impurities when heated due to chemical reaction and their chemical composition, food stored and consumed in silver utensils are safe from these harmful toxins. Cooling effect. Silver is a good conductor of heat and as a result, silver utensils have a cooling effect on the body that further smoothens digestion and helps in improving the body's metabolic system, helpful in digestion and absorption. Eating food in silverware promotes your digestive health because it has soothing effect on your body. It keeps your digestion smooth and helps to improve metabolism in the body. Battle against free radicals. Eating food on a silver plate aids in the battle against free radicals and the rejuvenation of body cells. Damaged body cells can be reactivated using silver content. It allows damaged cells to regenerate and work normally again. Freshness of food is maintained. Food or drinks stored in silver vessel and utensils last for longer periods. Silver, due to its antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, kills the microorganisms trying to grow on the food, making it stale, resulting in a fresher and healthier food. It can be concluded that not only does silverware looks classy, opulent and beautiful as compared to the utensils made from other materials like glass, ceramics or plastic, they also have great amount of health benefits. Also, utensils and vessels made from other materials lose their value instantly the moment you buy them from the market. However, in the case of silverware, as you are enjoying the beauty, class, opulence and health benefits, you are also adding them to your heirlooms that can be passed on to generations.